How's it going, guys? This is ICECO's all new stainless steel cooler, the APL20. Yeah, we're gonna go and dive into it and see what it looks like. Yeah, first impressions out of the box. It's pretty light. I think it's just about a little over 20 pounds. But yeah, as you can see, they're stainless steel. It's I believe described as a light duty cooler. But yeah, as you can see, the nice fixtures and whatnot. They have nice chrome bumpers. It's hardware. It's very high quality. But we'll get into that just a bit, but first glance, it's an awesome looking product and I can't wait to use it. Yeah, it's very compact. It's about, I believe from here to here, about 24 inches and about 12 inches tall, and the depth is just about 13 to 14 inches, give or take. But yep, so this is the all-new APL20 electric cooler by ICECO. Let's dive into it. Like I said earlier, that hardware is very, it's very high quality. But as we get in, you have your typical owner's manual, and then some goodies that they stuffed inside all snug, making sure it's all protected. I believe they give you two options or ways to give your APL20 cooler some power. So with this is the normal AC adapter that pretty much just plugs into your normal house outlet. So this end plugs into here, and this goes to your house outlet. And then on this side, pretty much just plugs into there, and this goes sideways, and I believe typically they're upwards. So that's one way. And if you are on the go and you have this cooler in your car, you can also use the 12-volt adapter that they give you. So it plugs right into your car, your 12-volt adapter. And then again on the side, plugs right in. It has a nice soft close, and then it stays open right when you open it. All right, folks, yep, so that's the overview of ICECO's electric car cooler, their APL20. Yeah, it's a super light duty car fridge, and I'm excited to use it and can't wait.